Hi, my name is Terry Z. Thank you for visiting and welcome to my Ask Terry site. This site is also my hub. I would like to warmly welcome you, just like you are a friend. Come to my place. Today, I have a question for you. If you are an affiliate marketer, entrepreneur, or someone just getting started to learning online marketing, willing to build a successful online business that allow you to work at home, enjoy the flexibility and lifestyle, earning some extra income or make a full-time income from multiple income earning stream to support you or your family ongoing needs? If the above question relate to the things you are truly looking for, you are come to the right place. We sure can help you. I was exactly in that position before. That was me. I needed to find a solution to replace my work income and not just depends on my business. I was a high school teacher in China. I came to Australia in 1989 with $1,000 in my pocket. I had always wanted to be successful and learn online marketing skills to build my dream business. I wanted to provide a good life for myself and my family. I have been through frustrations, life difficulties, and was desperately looking for a way out. Fortunately enough, in my life, I met two true mentors and gave me two blueprints to follow. They changed my life and helped me find the whys and hows to build a profitable online business by leveraging on other great resources and how to implement very different business strategies in my local real estate agency business building. I'm sure we all agree, in business, whether in local or online business, the result, meaning money in our bank account. My two mentors have inspired me a lot. Now it's my time and my way of giving something back. I encourage myself to build this personal influence hub and share with more people, to those people who are willing to build up the online successful business. As you can see, this mission could be quite hard for me, especially in English, but I'm committed to do it. Truly, I built this hub for you, and we can learn and grow together. I know how hard you have been trying and how desperately you are willing to learn a proper online marketing skills like my previously, which is a significant and also very lucrative investment for yourself as a personal development. In fact, I encourage two of my kids and good friends with us to learn these unique skills. You will be pleased. For you, I will take the curtain down and show you how I learned and implement from my two mentors' powerful online business building blueprint in detail. It will be a lot of fun I think. Please feel free to comment on my story and find some good stuff on my site to suit you. I love to engage and inspire you, add some value to you, and help you at some points in the life or online business building. I learned through this game. This is not a race, it's a journey. My advice to you, my friend, don't do a shortcut. Even though my mentor week does have a fast-track, powerful program to help affiliate marketer to gain instant results. But bottom line is, you need to sharpen your skills, which I'm here and keen to help you. Thanks again. I like to connect with you and learn from you. Also, I look forward to meet you up in one day and we share the abundance. Bye for now.